I think I found the greatest tool for low content books on Amazon KDP. And I've arranged to give you guys 25% off for life. Click the link in the description. Get your discount. This is a great tool for research, and you're going to be able to pop out these books like crazy. Okay, so here we are inside of BookBolt, and BookBolt I found is a great research tool. I'm going to run through this really, really fast, okay? But it also is a builder. It's going to build your books for you too, but stick with me to the end. And of course, the 25% off, don't worry about that. So you come over here to products. Now, of course, they got all these tutorials here, right? But we go to products and you can go to keywords. Now I've already chosen monthly build tracker for newlyweds. So now they're going to give you, and you can, you're going to get total 13 results, going to give you the BSR, lowest price, highest price, average price. And of course we could have picked our category over here. We could have picked whatever. I just picked general, but you could pick whatever category you want, right? Now it's going to give you the best. Now this one's had 361 ratings. Now, so you can search by product, okay? You can search by product and keyword, all right? Now you can also say this Tommy Quinn is the author. Let's say I want to find out about Tommy Quinn, find out what other kind of books. I can go to the seller tab over here in the research, and we can pop in Tommy Quinn. Now I've already popped in Tommy Quinn, right? So there was 13 total results. So he has 13 books. He's got an average BSR. He's got lowest price, highest price, and average price, right? And then you can look at all of his books. So you can research sellers with this tool, right? Pretty cool. Now the cloud is the next best thing, okay? You can find anything. This is great. You can find niches to target. It's going to be great. So you can go to the top 100, BSR, you can jam that up. Price range, you can jam that up. Let me move out of the way here. So you can jam that up to $100 from 0 to 100. You can choose notebook. You could choose journal. You could choose music sheets. You can choose whatever you want, right? Well, let's leave it notebook, okay? And we're going to leave it blank on keywords because we're just going to do a general search, find out what is selling, okay? We go down here. Now, these are the books that are selling, bestsellers on Amazon KDP. They're giving you all the information, okay? How many ratings they have, the ASNs, okay? Average prices, estimated monthly sales. Okay, it's going to tell you how many monthly sales these are getting. Now you can target these, not copy them, but base your book on their book. Okay, similar interior, similar title, similar cover. Just in the same niche. Make it your own. I'm not saying copy and be copyright infringement, right? But this tool is going to find all these niches for you. The gold book, right? Office 365, a regular blue notebook. Okay, over here you can't see it because I'm hiding it. They have an average of 389 sales a month. All right, at $5.99 a month. Okay, the guy's making pretty good on just that one book. All right, now if he has 10 books selling, 100 books out of 10 books out of his 100 books selling, he's doing all right. So now, excellent way to do research, searching with the cloud, okay? Searching with the cloud. Let's say I want to look at this one. Shit, I can't remember. Nice little book. So I'm going to come over here to the ASIN. I can copy the ASIN, right? Copy the ASIN. Now let's go over to the Book Scout. Now the Book Scout, we put the ASIN in there. Remember, I'm going to give you 25% off for this tool, and this tool has everything you need. Now it's going to tell you the title, okay? It's going to tell you the rank. These are the keywords and how it's ranking for total items count, how many searches it has a month, search volume. Okay, it gives you all the keywords in his book. Okay, so you can rank for the same keywords. Okay, pretty crazy kaboom moment, right? And that's the Book Scout. All right, you're going to get all his information and description. He doesn't have a description on the book, but you would get the descriptions, and you can not copy is the wrong word, but you can model after them. Okay, use them as a mentor and model after them with yours. Now, of course, you've got the favorites. Anything you heart will go into favorites. Okay, excellent. And you can search for keywords. We can search for keywords on the search, right? And search any kind of keywords we want. Let's say I want a basketball coach plays. We can search for that, and it's going to give me all of that kind of stuff. Now, these are all keywords: Amazon search volume, Google search volume, high competition, low competition, all of this information, keywords, everything is here, okay, in this tool in BookBolt, and I'm giving you 25% off for life for the tool. Okay, click the link down in the description if you want to do that. Now, we're also going to touch quickly on, it's also a creator. It's going to create your book for you. Book Bolt Studio, right? Just doing this to test. So here we are in the builder. Okay. Now it's got the drawing, it's got your elements, it's got your text, it's got your file library, it's got your puzzles, your page templates. Okay, the page templates has everything in here from lines to puzzles to Sudoku to everything and anything you could think of is in there. Okay, as far as templates there, right? So now we X out of that. All right, it's going to make your cover. You can make your cover in here. You can make everything, and you can do individual pages. Okay, everything is in here, making it super streamlined that you're going to be able to go crazy and finding niches with this tool and making books and making a lot of money with Amazon KDP. Remember, Amazon, you want to partner with Amazon. Amazon's one of the biggest partners you could have making money online. Okay, check it out. Click the description and get your 25% off. And subscribe to the channel because we're going to be having tutorials. We're going to go dig deep into this, and we're going to take each individual tool and we're going to do tutorials on everything. So, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing.